Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. Got some packages came in the mail. Let's see, where are these coming from? Well, these ones are from China. So we're going back to being delivered from China again. I bought these items. I've been buying a lot of stuff from China recently because of the low cost and the cheap shipping. Then I've been needing a lot of stuff for my electronics projects. I'm not quite sure what we got here though until I get it open. Because I've got a lot of stuff on the way. So let's see what this is. A lot of different packages are on the way. Oh, good. 18650 battery trays. So there's a double 18650 battery tray. I'm probably going to order a mess of these actually for the 18650 battery banks that I'm going to be experimenting with. Because I've seen, there's a guy, see they got convenient little screw holes in the bottom. There's a guy on YouTube, he puts these all together in the removable trays, which I like the idea very much. And actually I had the idea before I saw that, and then I saw it and I liked it even more. So those are them. That's going to go, for quick removable batteries, if a cell dies, pop it out and pop in a new one instead of messing around with soldering. I think that's going to be so much better that way. Like I said, I got a bunch of things coming, so I don't know what's what. They all arrive randomly at different times, so I don't know what we have. Oh, good. I do believe, yes, for the Arduino, this is good timing, absolutely good timing. This is a breadboard for the Arduino to make your own shields. Perfect timing. Now I can finish my Arduino projects and solder them in permanently. Look at that. So once I figure out the little issue on the one in the off-grid solar mining farm camper, the one that controls that, then I'll be soldering everything permanently onto one of these boards here, putting in the headers, solder them in, and then you can plug that right into the Arduino. So make sure I get these all lined up. Those go into their respective holes, and then you can still, as needed, jumper into the pins here and continue on with your experiments. So I can solder together what I have working, and what's great, what I love about it, if I need to work on it again, I pull it out. The Arduino is free and clear for other projects at the time. I love it. So I can take this, just my homemade shield, with me everywhere I go. I've been carrying all my stuff around with me all the time. So this is really good. So I've got 3 of these. Now I'm wishing I bought more for permanently building my Arduino circuits. Alright guys, well, there's some very nice buys, very cheap, from China for my electronics projects. Another package arrived in the mail the very next day, so I am adding this in. Let's see what we got here. This is also coming from China, so it's no longer stuff coming from the Philippines, everything's coming from China again. It's curious, I wonder why that was for that period. Oh, there's Michelle running around, you can hear her clop. So, I have to look and see what these are. I got some stuff combined here, obviously. You see. I'm going to actually have to look up online and see what those are. I don't recognize them. The problem is 30 to 45 days pass between the time you purchase something and the time you receive it. And then you're like, well, what is this? Because there's no papers included with any of this stuff. There's no paperwork included with this stuff. Okay. Alright, I do definitely have to look, because this is, if this is what I think it is, this is pretty cool. I think these are the Nokia, if I got it right, the Nokia 5110 display, which you can use on the Arduino. Uh-oh. Oh no, that one's already been damaged. Well, that's not a good start. Oh, come on, really? Well, that's a bummer. They're both broken in shipping. Well, at least I got it on video. Well, that's really disappointing. That's been smashed right there. That's really disappointing. Oh. And that one's broke right in the middle. Oh, what a bummer. Now I have to reorder and rewait. They should cover me. They have a pretty decent guarantee on their site. I'm using Alibaba. Oh, that's sad. That's the Nokia display that you can use on your Arduino. I was really looking forward to some cool experiments on them. So that one's broke in the middle. That one's very clearly smashed in shipping. Okay, this is really cool. Hopefully it's alright. This is a signal generator with a digital display. I hope it works. I hope it's alright. I'll have to fire it up right away to make sure. Boy, these things are not packaged very carefully though. Sometimes. At least that's got a glass display. So that's a signal generator with, it's adjustable from 1 hertz to 150 kilohertz, and it runs on 3.3 volts up to 30 volts. Pretty cool. So I'll be trying that out here right away. I've got to try it out right away, make sure it works. Nice little device for my electronics lab. And then here I have, I'm gonna have to get scissors to open these. See if my teeth will do the job. These are some cool devices I got. These are little magnetic Hall switches for Arduino. Whoops. Focus, focus, focus. So, well, my computer there, my phone camera doesn't want to focus. But it's a little tiny micro switch, or Hall switch, with something adjustable on there. Probably sensitivity, I'm not sure. There's not a lot of information on the websites. I'm using AliExpress, by the way. I misspoke earlier. But pretty cool. So that is a valuable tool for working on the Bedini motors that I'm working on all the time. So I got some really cool devices in the mail for my experiments. Sadly, this is a huge disappointment because I was very much looking forward to that with the Arduino. So I'm going to have to give them some photos and start the return process. I've never had to do any returns through AliExpress so far, so we'll have to see what happens with them. But there you go, guys. Another package arrived. It's 3 days in a row now. So it's starting to roll in. Let's see what these are. Oh, okay, cool. So, for my projects and experiments with 18650s, my power wall that I'm going to start building, which most of it you'll see here on the electronics channel, but some of it, and especially the real world use of it, is going to be on my main channel, the do-it-yourself world, also known as the off-grid project, where we are striving to become fully off the grid and self-sufficient on a budget. And having a source of energy is definitely important for off-grid living. So these are going to be useful for my projects and experiments in off-grid living, but also my projects and experiments in my electronics work. So that's good. All my stuff is starting to come in. And these are great because they have solder pins, so I can build what I'm going to do is have a bank of these, so I can drop in the 18650s and pull out bad ones as needed with ease, and then I'll have stacks of these put together, easy to get to, easy to maintain, and then they're going to have each one's going to have like a carrying handle, and they'll be plug-in units. So I'll have separate banks of these which can easily be removed, taken out on vacation, and brought back and plugged into the home power bank. So cool setup what I have planned. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World of Electronics, and please like, subscribe, and share. Follow my videos, and you never know what I'm doing tomorrow, but it's always going to be something electronics, off-grid, solar powered, computer related, alternate energy. And hit that bell icon so you get notifications of uploads. Talk to you later.